So in the last program, we have created the React error function component by using simply one command, RAFCE. What I've done, I have installed the es7 plugin, es7 React Redux GraphQL React Native Code Snippet plugin. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is I'll be opening the new app. Just open the terminal. So still the server is running. Control C and Y. The server is stopped. Now go navigate to the parent folder, React. Now create cd space. Sorry. npx space. Create React app 04. See why I am elaboratedly writing all these four functions is, you will definitely use it to this code. How to create the React application, how to execute the React application. And after that, we will explore the different functions, okay, functionalities in the React. So this is actually the very basic fundamental concept. First one, you must know how to open the React folder, how to create a React application, and how to run the React application. Those three are very basic. Okay, that's the reason why I'm saying the small concepts as one program, one separate application. Okay, so that you will understand a little bit clearly. Can I look at this one? So what I've created, app number 4, and that go to app.js. So let us run the program. How to run the program? npm space start. What you have to do, you have to navigate to that folder, right? cd space app 004. npm space start. So you need not to execute the program from the Visual Code. Okay, you can directly open the command prompt. You can navigate to the folder, and then in the command prompt also you can go for the same execution command, npm start. If you navigate to the your app folder in the command prompt, something like this one, the command prompt, pmd, where it is located, then like inside the D, cd html, cd js, cd react, and cd app number some. 010203 or 04, something like that. Okay, you can navigate to that particular folder and you can directly write the npm space start. Then you then that particular application will be started. Okay, I'll execute this one also. Once we finish this concept, I'll execute this one. Okay. It's executed successfully. Okay, this is our application. So what we have to do? We have to create the React class as component. Simply press RCC. That's it. This is React class component. Okay, that's it. It is given the complete code. It's given the complete code. Okay. See, but the point is, in the last program, what I've done, I have not written this export statement. Okay, I wrote separately right here, like export default app. So this is how I have written it in the previous class program. But we can also directly give the export default before the class also. Okay, see this one. This is class as component using es7 plugin. Saved. Okay, this is our output. Okay, so these four are the very basic programs. Okay, from now here onwards, what we're going to do, we are going to use the variables and for the concepts. So if you like my explanation, please subscribe, like, and share. This is a free React tutorial. Okay, thank you so much.